Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me iPhone 15 Pro Max, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. First, you need to open the control panel and disable all unnecessary features. So, if you have enabled mobile data and Wi-Fi, disable one of them. Disable Bluetooth if you don't need it right now. Disable personal hotspot, it's consuming a lot of battery power. And of course, disable the AirDrop. Then the next step is reducing the screen brightness. Screen is consuming a lot of battery power, so you need to reduce the screen brightness. And of course, in the settings, you need to enable the dark mode. To do it, open settings, find here screen display and brightness, and here we have light and dark mode. So use dark to save your battery life. Why? It's because your screen was created from thousands of micro LED lamps, and it means that, of course, as you can know, lamp can't create the black color. If you see black color on your LED screen, it means that in this place, screen is just disabled. Okay? So in this way, if you have enabled the dark mode, all applications has the dark and black appearance, and in this way the biggest part of your screen is just disabled and not consuming the battery power. So great, use the dark mode, it's really great mode. Then scroll down, and the last thing you can do is in the battery settings, enable low power mode. In this mode your device will live really long. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.